Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll learn about logical functions, how to use it and the types of logical functions which are commonly used in our day-to-day work. Logical function. Basically, they are yes or no functions which are used to test whether a condition is true or false. So, let's see one example on logic test. Here I have a person named Bob whose age is 17 and the question is whether he is a teenager or not. To check this, we'll write one simple logic that is equals to age less than 20 and press enter. And the result is true, which means Bob is a teenager. And second example is if I change Bob's age to 21 and press enter, the result is false, which means 21 is not a teenage. Like this, we can use many simple logics in Excel. And coming back, we'll see the types of logical functions commonly used. That is if, and, or, not. Out of these functions, if function is the most commonly used and remaining three functions are not used directly, rather used in conjunction with if functions. That is if and, if or, etc., which we'll see in the later stages. Let's begin with the first one. If statement checks the condition and returns a value if the condition is true and another value if the condition is false. So let's see one example. Here I have a set of football players and their statistics. The example states that if a player has scored minimum 30 goals, then the result should be yes, otherwise no. To evaluate this, let's begin our formula. Is equal to if. Here you can see the intelligence will show the list of formulas beginning with if. In our case, we are looking for the first one which is already selected, so press tab. Now you can see the parameters of if statement. First one is logical test, which is minimum 30 goals. To write this, select the cells containing goals greater than or equal to 30 and press comma. Value if true. What is the value if the player has scored minimum 30 goals? The result is yes. So write yes. And the point is when you're writing text inside a formula, it should be in between double inverted comma. So I will use double inverted comma, type yes and close the double inverted comma, press comma. Value if false. If the player has not scored 30 goals, then the result should be no. So I will use double inverted comma, type no and close the bracket and press enter. Here you can see the result as yes, because Holland has scored minimum 30 goals. To copy the formula for the following players, I will drag and drop this. Now you can see only two players have scored 30 goals. Like this, we can use if functions in Excel. Moving on to the next one, which is AND function. It is used to check if all the conditions in a statement are true. So let's see one example. Here I have a set of players and the positions they play and the number of assists they have provided. And the problem states that player who plays in midfield and has minimum 5 assists. To check this, we can utilize AND formula. So let's begin. Which is equals to and press tab. Here you can see the parameters of formula as logical 1, logical 2, etc. Logical 1 means player who plays in midfield. So select the cell which contains position equals to midfielder, which is a text, so use double inverted comma. Then second logical is minimum 5 assists. So select the cell which contains assist greater than or equal to 5, close the bracket and press enter. So the condition is true. So drag the formula for all the players. Here we can see only two players meets the following conditions, hence the result is true. Next one is OR function, which is used to check any of the conditions in a statement are true. So let's see one example. Here I have a players and the goals they have scored and the assists they have provided. And the problem statement is player with either 10 goals or 10 assists. In this case, we can use OR formula, which is equals to OR, press tab. Same way as AND formula, we can see logical 1, logical 2, etc. Here the logical 1 is goals, logical 2 is assist. So we'll write the same thing. Select the cells containing goals, then greater than or equal to 10, comma, select the cells containing assist, followed by greater than or equal to 10. Close the bracket, press enter. The condition is true because Mohamed Salah has scored 19 goals and 13 assists. So I will drag the formula for all the players. Here you can see the condition is true for all the players because they have either scored 10 goals or 10 assists. Next, moving to the last one, NOT function. This is used to reverse the result of a logical test. So we will see one example. NOT function is used to reverse any logical decision. For example, I will write is equals to NOT tab logical. I will say true, press tab, close the bracket, press enter. You see false. Not of true is false. One more example is equals to not, press tab. I will write one small equation, 1 plus 1 is equals to 2, which is obviously true, but it is inside a not function, so it will result as false. Like this we can use not functions. So this concludes the videos of logical functions and its types which are commonly used in our daily work. So in the next video we'll discuss about the nested if statements, which means if with AND statement and if with OR statement. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe and share. If you have any doubts, please comment below. Thank you.